Hello and thank you for taking the time to join me on Watchables 24 for another review. This time we're taking a look at the Aquastar Airstar Chronograph 60th Anniversary re-edition. Rick Murray and his team create watches that never fail to catch my eye, and this piece is no exception. The watches I feel are very high quality and the craftsmanship is second to none. The Aquastar Airstar is certainly one of the best quality and impressive watches I've seen recently. The watch comes in this really nice steel tube. There is a warranty card, and the warranty card has I don't know if I can make this happen, but there's a snap out USB attached to it. Aquastar was founded in 1964, and whilst this watch is an Airstar, it is not a direct copy of the original edition Airstar watch from 60 years ago. The original vintage Aquastar Airstar had a stainless steel finish and boasted 3 subdials showing seconds, minutes and 12 hours. It had a 37mm case, 13mm thickness, and was powered by a manual wind 17 joule Valjoule 72 movement. I've seen these for sale for around €10,000. That is if you can find one, as they are as rare as hen's teeth. The name tag Airstar suggests aviation, and you can clearly see why, with the tachograph scale printed around the dial that used to allow pilots to calculate their ground speed by timing how long it takes to travel a known distance between 2 fixed points. This is useful for fuel burn management and navigation. It is basically used to measure speed based on time and distance travelled. However, it is still a thoroughbred dive watch with a 200-meter water rating, and Aquastar was worn from 1965 for almost a decade by one of the greatest divers of all time, Jacques Cousteau. He and his crew on the Calypso wore Aquastar in his television series, The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau. Let's take a closer look at this watch. The watch has black sunburst subdials on a matte black face, and the moccasin hands are filled with a high-density superluminova application. There are 2 subdials. The left is seconds and the right is a 30-minute counter. There are white syringe-shaped hours and minute hands, a full-length sweeping white second hand. The brand name is at the 12 and the model name is at the 6. There is a tachograph on the outer edge of the dial. Whilst the case is matte black, the crown, bezel and pushers are gloss black. The bezel is ceramic gloss black, a 120 click, unidirectional with a white filled easy to read scale and a raised loomed pip. The stainless steel case measures 39mm and 49mm lug to lug. It has a thickness of 14.8mm plus 2mm for the crystal, and it has a black diamond-like carbon coating, also known as DLC. This is a hard thin layer applied to the watch case, which significantly increases its scratch resistance and durability. It is water resistant at 200 meters. The sapphire crystal is domed and has a triple anti-reflection coating. There is a gnarled 7mm signed screw-down crown and 2 pushers to operate the chronograph at 10 and 20. They have a very positive tactile action. You can hear the snap as they are pressed. Let's just see if we can catch that. The case back is numbered and engraved with the brand, and it has a unique buzzsaw design to allow the back to be removed. It takes an unusual size 21mm strap and comes on this very soft and comfortable black tropical strap with 2 keepers and a black signed buckle. The movement in this watch is a genuine 27 jewel top grade automatic Valjoux 7753 Swiss-made mechanical chronograph with a power reserve of 48 hours. Okay, my final thoughts on the Airstar. To be honest, I really like the Airstar. My preference is usually a larger watch, around 44mm. However, this is well made, and because of the weight and being 49mm lug to lug, it feels and wears like a bigger watch. Where the DLC may not appeal to everyone, and some watch enthusiasts cringe at the mention of DLC and have a fear of it becoming marked and scratched. But personally, I have several DLC coated watches, and I have found that a good DLC coating is extremely hard and durable and stands up well to everyday use. I wear mine regularly. I obviously would not use a DLC watch whilst doing heavy construction work, but would any of us do that with our Grail pieces? I do wear them often and dive with them, and to date no scratches or problems. They still look as good as new. All told, the Aquadive Airstar is a clean looking watch that's easy to read and looks fantastic. It wears very, very well on the wrist, feels comfortable on the Tropic strap, and it is a very affordable price bracket with a great look. My advice on this watch: buy it, wear it, and enjoy it. You won't be disappointed. Rick and Team Aquastar has produced a clear winner with this watch. Visit Aquadive Watches to see their great lineup of timepieces at www.aquadive.com. Thank you for joining me and watching this review. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit that subscribe button in the right hand corner.